Hello everyone. In this video, we will be evaluating sine of 18 degree. Maybe I should just duck so that you are able to see what's written on the board. Also, as the thumbnail suggests, we won't be using the usually used relation to compute sine 18. In this video, I would like to share my approach, that is a method that I somehow managed to discover last year. So let's get started. We know that sine and cosine are complementary trigonometric ratios. In other words, sine theta is cos 90 degree minus theta. Because we intend to find the value of sine 18, we plug in theta equal to 18 degree in the identity to get that. Sine 18 is cos 90 minus 18, that is cos 72 degree. 72, in addition to being the complement of 18 degree, is also 4 times 18 degree. So in order to evaluate sine 18 degree using this relation, it is equivalent to solve the equation sin x is equal to cos 4x for sine of x. The RHS could be rewritten as cos of 2 times 2x. The cos version of the cos double angle formula tells us that this is the same as 2 into cos squared 2x minus 1, which is equal to sine of x. Is that the only relation that sine x and cos 2x share? Well, let me think. No, it's already written on the board. The sine version of cos 2 theta, that is 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. So cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. For convenience, let me replace sine x by a and cos 2x by b. Now the pair of equations looks something like this. A is 2b squared minus 1 and b is 1 minus 2a squared. Observe that the constant terms of the equations are the additive inverses of each other. And I don't know why, but whenever we see pairs of equations like these, something compels us to just nullify the constants and find if it benefits us in any way. Right here, in this case, to do that, we must add the equations to get that. A plus b is 2b squared minus 2a squared. Once we factor out the 2, we get difference of 2 squares on the RHS, which again we can factorize using the difference of squares formula. We change the RHS to 2 times b squared minus a squared, that is 2 times b minus a into b plus a. Because a and b stand for sin x and cos 2x respectively, and sin x is the same as sine 18 degree, and cos 2x is the same as cos 36 degree. Because both the angles lie in the first quadrant, sine 18 and cos 36, that is sin x and cos 2x, both hold positive values. So if a and b hold positive values, there is no chance that their addition will be 0. In other words, we have the liberty to divide both the sides by a plus b to simplify it to 1 is 2 times b minus a. Rearranging the terms gives us a linear relation between b and a, that is a plus half gives us b. But the second equation tells us that b is 1 minus 2a squared. So we can form the quadratic once we substitute b equal to 1 to a squared right here. So let's just do that. To get that, a plus half is 1 minus 2a squared. Rearranging once more to form the quadratic, which is nothing but 2a squared plus a plus half minus 1, that is minus half, gives you 0. So let me call the quadratic formula. No animations. So a is simply minus 1 plus minus root of 1 plus 4, that is root 5 by 4. But we just discussed that a holds a positive value, so it can't be negative. Therefore, a is root 5 minus 1 by 4. And what is a? It is just the replacement of sine of x, that is sine 18 degree. This tells us that sine 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4, and because we have a linear relation between b and a, it's quite easy to compute b once we have a. We just need to add half to it. To get that, cos 36 is root 5 minus 1 by 4 plus half, which is root 5 plus 1 by 4. So there you have it. You get both the values, sin 18 and cos 36, without putting much effort. Yeah, so that is it for today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up with any of your fingers. Share it with your friends and everybody around, in fact. Also, the most important thing which people aren't doing these days, pressing the subscribe button to support me in my journey as I bring more of such interesting mathematical videos. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video.